to show you how to make the easiest sourdough bread loaf that you can ever make. I'm making double, so don't follow what you're seeing me do, follow what I'm telling you to do. First, you need a food scale of some sort to measure in grams. Some people use cups for it. My recipe's in grams, I'm sorry. You need a big, large bowl because your dough is going to expand throughout the hours that it's in here. And again, I'm making 2 loaves, so my bowl is double the size. Let's go. First thing we're gonna do is zero out our food scale with the bowl on top. We're gonna add in 375 grams of water. All right, now we're gonna add in 100 grams of your active starter. A good way to know that your starter is doing well is, you see that? It's floating. All right, we are at around 80 right now, and there's 100. That is all you need to start this. All right, now we're gonna take our bowl off of our scale. We're gonna go ahead and whisk the active starter into the water, get it all nice and milky looking. This tool is for bread baking. You can find it on Amazon. You can find it on the TikTok shop. They are everywhere. It's amazing, I highly recommend it. All right, now our water is all set. We're gonna put this back onto the scale, zero it out again, and then start adding in our flour. You need 500 grams of flour. I just use all-purpose. You can use bread flour, you can use wheat flour, whatever works for you. This has never failed me. All right, there we are with 500 grams. Okay, now our very last ingredient is salt. For this, I like to use a little measuring spoon because the scale doesn't always pick up the salt. It is 2 teaspoons for 11 grams, or a little over 2 teaspoons, and that's it. Now we're done with our food scale, so we're gonna turn that off and move it out of the way, and here's where we get mixing. This is going to form a nice shaggy dough. All right, about when we get to this point is when I go in with my hands. All right, here we go. This is gonna be nice and sticky. It is okay, I promise. It's gonna balance out as you leave it to do the stretch and folds every 30 minutes. I'm gonna grab everything off of these edges and the bottom and make sure we really get it all incorporated. And just like that, we have our nice shaggy dough. This is what it looks like. We're gonna sit this in the microwave for